Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are taking you a train ride. This train ride is considered one of the most beautiful and scenic train rides not only in Sri Lanka but in all over the world because it travels through lush green tea estates, waterfalls, many tunnels which gives you a beautiful and joyful memory. The train from Kandy to Ella, which is named as Ella Odyssey. Ella Odyssey Train is a special train operated from Colombo to Badulla via Kandy, Nanu Oya, Ella ended up in Badulla. This train stops at Scenic and important photo locations which are located between Kandy and Badulla. Now you can see the Badulla Tower in Gampola, which is another beautiful travel destination. We hope to visit Badulla and present a video in near future. As I mentioned earlier, this is the first stop of Odyssey train, the Horsetail waterfall in Colombo. During the rainy season, the waterfall becomes more scenic and beautiful than this. Then we were fortunate enough to see the Adams Peak, which is known by many as Sri Pada and considered a sacred place situated in central Sri Lanka. If the sky is clear without mist, you too will be able to see this scene. Passing the Hatton railway station, now we are entering the number 14 tunnel, which is named as Singamalai Tunnel. This is about 562 meters long and is considered the second longest railway tunnel in Sri Lanka. After passing the tunnel, we can see the Singamalai Kovil as well. Through these greenish tea estates, now we are reaching to St. Clair Waterfall, which is one of the widest waterfalls in Sri Lanka, situated in Thalawakale-Hatton Highway, and is one of 6 waterfalls affected by the Upper Kothmale hydropower project. The St. Clair Waterfall is commonly known as the Little Niagara of Sri Lanka, and it is about 80 meters high and about 50 meters wide. After passing the Great Western Railway Station, we can see the Great Western Mountain, which is the 8th highest mountain in Sri Lanka. Its trail is ranked as difficult due to its steep incline and difficult unclear path. Now we are in Nanu Oya railway station. If you want to go to Nuwara town, you have to get off from the train in Nanu Oya. Now we are reaching to Elgin Falls, located in Elgin Tea Estates, which is 18 kilometers from Nuwara, Sri Lanka. The waterfall is 25 meters in height and it is named after Elgin, a major town of Moray in Scotland. Passing the Highland Milk Factory, now we are reaching to Pattipala Railway Station. Pattipala Railway Station is the 66th station on the main line and is 226.8 kilometers away from Colombo. It is the highest railway station in Sri Lanka with an elevation of 1897.5 meters high above mean sea level. The station has one platform with a second track as a sliding loop. Now we are at the summit level of Sri Lanka Railways, which is situated between Pattipala and Oya railway stations. It is situated 6,226 feet above mean sea level, and since there is no road leading to this place, the train is the best option if you want to take a photograph. Now we are entering the tunnel, which is referred to as the tunnel number 18 or the Summit Tunnel. Is situated 220 kilometers from Colombo on the upcountry railway line and is around 1 kilometers from highest point of the railway summit. This tunnel demarcates the boundaries of the Nuwara district and Badulla district and also a boundary demarcation of the central and Uva provinces. Therefore, for obvious reasons, tunnel is subjected to varying climatic conditions, where at times when there is rainy weather in Colombo end mouth of the tunnel, the Badulla end there is bright sunshine. We have to pass 14 tunnels to reach Idalgashinna from Oya. Idalgashinna railway station is the 68th station on the main line and 5th highest railway station in Sri Lanka, located between Haputale and Oya railway stations in Badulla district, Uva province. It is located 8 kilometers west of Haputale at an elevation of 1615 meters above sea level. This railway station is located on a hilltop separating the southern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. Because of this, the environment is constantly foggy and instantly clear. Depending on the location, rainwater from the Idalgashinna railway station collects in front of the roof of the Mahaweli River Valley and water falling from the back of the roof to the Wallaby River Valley. Passing Idalgashinna station, now we are reaching to Haputale. There are many travel destinations in Haputale as well. Addition Bungalow, Lipton Seat, St. Andrew's Church, Diyaluma Falls, Babrakanda Falls and many more places can be seen in Haputale. Now we are passing these beautiful Diyathala and Bandaravilla railway stations. Now you can see the beautiful Ella Falls. Now we are in Ella railway station, which is one of the most busiest railway stations in this rail line. Ella town is famous not only in Sri Lanka but all over the world. As you can see in the video, there are many foreigners who travel to Ella. When you visit Ella town, you can go to Dova Temple, Bamragala Peak, Ella Rock, Little Adams Peak, Ravana Ella Falls, Nine Arches Bridge and the Elma Falls as well. We have already created the video on Ella as well. You can see those videos on the attached links. Now we are at the famous Nine Arches Bridge. It is located in Demodara between Ella and Demodara railway stations. The surrounding area has seen a steady increase of tourism due to the bridge's architectural integrity and profuse greenery in the nearby hillsides. When you travel by Ella Odyssey, you can stay here for about 10 minutes. This is one of the famous photo destinations in Sri Lanka. The total length of the bridge is about 91 meters. Its width is 7.6 meters. It is about 24 meters high and there are 9 spans in this bridge. You can see the popularity of this place by looking at this crowd. And also you can come to this place by a path from Ella town. our last destination of today's journey, Demodara railway station. Though we end our journey from Demodara, the Ella Odyssey train will go to Badulla as its last destination. The story of Demodara railway station is very interesting. The station is most notable for its spiral rail line at this location, popularly known as the Demodara Loop. The rail line passes under itself, going around the loop and emerging from a tunnel, which runs directly beneath the Demodara railway station. Now you can see the scenery. The rail loop is about 900 meters long and the tunnel is 320 meters in length. It is considered the only loop in the world with a railway station situated exactly over a tunnel at Spiral Loop. That incident has been created here so that anyone can see this and understand it well. During the construction of the rail extension to Badulla, the engineers and surveyors found that elevation between the hills at Demodara was too much for the track to negotiate with the maximum inclination allowed by the Ceylon Government Railway being 1 foot per 44. An innovative track design had to be devised. Local folklore has it that one of the engineers was inspired after observing a kankani or a supervisor in a local tea estate undo his talab power and retie it around his head. At the end of this journey, we invite you all to have this experience once in your lifetime. Thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.